Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to mount a turkey fan and beard. We'll go through each step, ensuring your trophy looks fantastic for years to come. First, gather your supplies, including a sharp knife, borax, and a suitable mounting plaque. Then, we'll carefully separate the fan and beard from the bird, preparing them for preservation. This process is straightforward and very rewarding, allowing you to cherish your hunting memory. Now, let's focus on preparing that beautiful turkey fan. Carefully cut the fan from the bird, leaving approximately 2 inches of skin attached to the feather quills. Next, use a knife or scraper to meticulously remove all meat and fat from the skin at the fan's base. Once clean, apply a generous layer of borax to the skin, ensuring full coverage. Finally, spread the fan feathers into their natural shape and pin them to a board to dry for about 2 to 3 weeks. With the fan drying, let's prepare the turkey beard. Cut the beard from the bird, leaving a small piece of skin at its base. Apply borax to this skin section to preserve it, just like with the fan. Allow the beard to dry completely for several days until it is firm. Once both the fan and beard are fully dry, it's time for assembly. Securely attach the fan to your mounting plaque using screws or strong adhesive, then position the beard below it. Your turkey fan and beard mount is almost complete. Now is the perfect time to add any personal touches, such as spent shotgun shells or leg bands, to enhance your display. Double-check that all components are firmly attached to the plaque for long-term stability. Finally, select a prominent location in your home or office to proudly display your finished trophy. Remember to dust your mount regularly to keep it looking its best for many years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.